Hi everyone, welcome to another one of my videos. I made an order recently and I got it in the mail, and this is part 1 of 2 of that order. This is a lap mic, a lavalier. It's the Hollyland Lark M1. This is the one with, I think I got the one with 1 mic and 1 receiver, if I'm not mistaken. This is the box. So let's open it and see what's inside. So it comes with this nice little holder. Yeah, here it is. It has a power button and it says out. So it has probably a live monitoring line. You have a USB-C plug and you have plus and minus volume on it. This is the mic. Both of them come with a very nice little clip. This is where the sound comes in, and this is where the sound comes in. Power button, and I think it's a mute button. This yellow little thing here. Okay, also USB-C, and these little dots here on the bottom are for charging in the case, because it has a portable case. That should charge them, but I don't see the case. Where's the case? Oh no, I think this one doesn't come with a case. I have the little wind muff right here. That goes on top of the mic like that. Has a little cutout in the back for the clamp. And unbelievable, this one does not have the case. Wow, so there you go guys, pay attention to what you order. I got this one because it was a little bit cheaper and I did not need 2 microphones. But the downside is that you don't get the charging case. I was under the impression that this one has its own case as well, but it doesn't. So you only get the case if you get the pack with 2 mics. Who knew? Let me take a quick look at the manual and see how to turn these on and how to plug them into the phone, so you guys can see the difference between how my phone records and how this will. Okay, these are both USB-C to normal to regular USB. should be a USB-C adapter, but there isn't. I'll be right back. Okay, so I did a big mistake with this. I got the set and I'm missing a lot of pieces from it. So if you buy this thing, buy the set with two mics, because that one, from what I understand, has everything in it, and this one apparently doesn't. Okay, so we have a cord that goes to the phone, to the jack, if you have a jack to the phone. We have a cord that can go to a camera if you have a stereo input, stereo jack, and we have two cables with USB-C to USB. Apparently, according to this, there should be one of these that has a stereo input and then a USB-C, but this one does not have it. And the transmitter only connects to the phone via cable. It does not connect via Bluetooth to the phone. It's only the mic to the receiver that it's Bluetooth, and yeah, you're gonna need an adapter that does the phone jack to the USB-C. Let me check if I have one of those. Be right back. Okay, so here I am. I'm using the mic. I finally got the dongle. I previously tried, but something didn't went well, so let's see if this one goes well. Now let's try to clap it onto the close. Let's say it stays something like that. I don't know. Okay, what's the sound? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, testing, testing, testing. Now let's see if we turn on the noise cancelling. You can see that the LED turned green. We are getting sound this time, so it seems to be okay. Okay, so that's it. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, PS, this is a really short afterword. I plugged the transmitter to the mic with the USB, and it shows that it's only the left lane that it's working, so it's not stereo, and it's receiving. I don't know how it's turning out. Let's check it out. Yeah, so this is the sound without the microphone, and it seems that the issue was this wire here, okay, that goes into the adapter. You will need to use the wire with the wire with the 3 prongs, okay? So not the regular stereo wire. You have to use the actual wire that would go into a phone, okay? The one with 3 prongs that also has the microphone on there. So left, right, and mic. Okay, so that's it. I hope you liked it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.